pass me the cake box. Yeah, thank you. You want grapes or something? Some crackers? Sandwich? You wanna hit this blunt or? Nah, I'll take them now. And if they feel fucked up with you.
Going down the London Canals. Got a baguette of a blunt, no Dionysus now. Cheese box with the crackers, wow. Yes, I'm feeling kinda crowded now. Surrounded by grape cheeses, Americano style. Feeling salty, I tell my girl, let's get out of here. I wanna go find some hot tea. Jumped out the narrow boat, got ourselves an oyster. Got on the tube, I didn't wanna disappoint her. Got off at King's Cross, then went to the platform. 9 3/4 is what I heard's the magic number. Walk into the British Library, I start to wonder, what questions do I have for Shakespeare and Leonardo? Nothing too deep cause the London I keep watching. Asking Big Ben for the time to see the guards change. Hoping it's not late to go to the Sky Garden. I wanna see the world with my girl, for now it's London.
Tea parties and constitutions got me thinking retribution. I'ma need my restitution. I'm tired of this pollution, problems with no solutions. Tell me what messes you in the angle of pain congruent. I'm living and breathing music. Why is you acting stupid? I'm sorry, had to go do it. She was ratchet, I was hammered. That's how we ended up screwing. Hit the nail on the head. Guess it's time to get moving, so you know what I'm doing. About to catch the next flight out to London and I'm booming. Need to get some pound cake, not like Drake when I flew in. Private jet with some crumpets, pull up and just start dumping. V for Vendetta, banging like a Beretta, aiming with my sex pistol. From London all the way to Bristol, grabbing pounds by the fistful. You know I got them hits full. Talk shit, get my boy. Understand, I'm gon' be that top boy, yeah.